Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad dressing, full guide. Gather your ingredients and set up a bowl, whisk, and measuring spoons before you begin. Start by emulsifying garlic, anchovy, lemon, and egg yolk, then slowly add oil for a silky texture. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and lemon for balance. Finish by folding in grated cheese and chilling briefly to let flavors meld before tossing with crisp romaine. Whisk the yolk, garlic, anchovy, and mustard together until slightly frothy, then add a pinch of salt. While whisking vigorously, stream in oil in a thin ribbon to form a thick emulsion that clings to lettuce. Stir in 1 tablespoon lemon, 2 tablespoon grated cheese, and adjust seasoning with black pepper. If too thick, loosen with a teaspoon of water or lemon until it coats leaves evenly and tastes balanced. Keep a light hand with salt because Parmigiano and anchovy already add saltiness. Taste as you go. For a lighter dressing, use half olive oil and half neutral oil, or substitute Greek yogurt for creaminess without oil. Try adding roasted garlic for a mellow flavor or lemon zest for extra brightness. Store in the fridge up to 3 days in an airtight container and whisk briefly before serving to revive texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.